Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Had a client ride down from Pennsylvania to get the audio upgrade on his 2024 Road Glide. So same complaint that everybody has, you just can't hear the music on the highway. He only wanted to do 2 speakers, didn't want to do lids. So on our recommendation, he went with the stage 1 with the NVS Audio high-res tweeters mounted in the grille and the Cicada Cmx carbon fiber 6.5-inch mid-bass drivers in the factory pods, Sound Digital evox to 800.4 bridged, ARC Audio PSM DSP, the Pro version, and of course NVS Audio plug-and-play T-harness, which makes the install flawless with no splicing or cutting of the factory wires. We knocked the install out for him in a day. He hung out with us the entire day, got it installed, tuned, programmed. He's loving it. Check out the build.
See, I don't want to do, but you're so steady, baby. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to call. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. Oh, girl, your face is saying why. Tears at night. Should have been more smart about it. Should have cherished me. We're gonna have to break it down.